Hi everyone, this is the Lighthouse Lady. Today I have been sanding on this deer feeder, or deer trough, whatever you'd like to call it, because we get quite a few deer in the winter. It has a lot of old paint on it. We're going to have to replace the top wood because of the carpenter bees and the woodpeckers. I'll get my husband to help me with the top part. The rest of the wood is in good condition, just needed to be sanded. Okay, I've got it all sanded. Try to take out some of the rough edges on the top so the deer won't cut their neck. I'm going to wipe it down, and then I'm going to paint it. And we'll do the top later on. Well, we got the first coat of red paint on it. Did not paint inside where we're going to put the food, just on the outer portion of the deer feeder. And we have to get some more wood for the top. My husband built me a new top for the deer feeder, and I just finished painting it with the first coat of red. After it dries and we attach it, I'll put another coat of red on there. My husband reattached the top piece to the deer feeder that he built for me, and I put a second coat of paint on it. He's going to cut some metal to put on the top. Well, my husband put the finishing touch. He put some brown metal on the top of the roof of the deer feeder. We had wood up there previously that rotted. Maybe this will last a lot longer. Well, all in all, it came out really nice, and the deer can start enjoying the food again. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you'll be notified. Thank you for watching.